subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched two new affordable smartphones under G series in India called Moto G10 Power and Moto G30. Both of these devices looks quite similar but are different in terms of specifications. And among these two, the Moto G10 Power is the most affordable phone under this series with a unique design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G10 Power supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus Max Vision display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G10 Power features a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 118° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 20W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.22 by 75.73 by 9.89mm and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G10 Power has been priced in India at 9,999 Indian rupees. And the smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 16th in Aurora Grey and Breeze Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto G10 Power smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.